Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping the cast on the phone, open Quick Settings or Control Center and tap the casting tile. Once done, select Stop Casting or Disconnect and wait for the confirmation. If an app initiated the stream, force close that app to ensure the session ends. This prevents renegotiation with the TV. If you're using a dedicated app like YouTube, press the cast icon inside the app and choose Disconnect. This targets the source directly and is faster than device-level toggles. Now check the TV itself. Open the Input or Smart Features menu and locate Screen Mirroring, AirPlay, or the built-in Chromecast settings. Turn those features off or disable Guest Mode to stop unsolicited connections. Also sign out of streaming apps on the TV that might auto-cast or rejoin sessions. Once you've disabled these services, make sure the TV shows a normal home screen. If it still indicates a cast session, power cycle the TV to clear any lingering session tokens. Finish by rebooting the phone, the TV, and the router. This clears active connections and refreshes Discovery services. If the problem persists, have the phone forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin, or temporarily change the router SSID/password to block automatic reconnections. Only use a factory reset on the TV as a last resort after backups. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see casting, check for multiple accounts, sign out of other family devices, and disable any device-level casting profiles that may auto-reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.